Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Now in today's video I'll be giving the bike a good service, and the only thing I won't be changing is the plugs because the bike has very low mileage and I don't think it's necessary. So before we get into that, let's go ahead and show you guys the new garage. Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the new garage. And also you saw another bike under the covers, and that's because I bought another super bike to rebuild, but you'll only see that closer to the time when I'm almost done with the BMW. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, now that we have the performance filter, the tank and the battery installed, let's go ahead and install a new chain. I did want to let you guys know that I got a brand new pair of Pirelli Rosso Corsas. While we were busy moving to the new house, the tires were on special, so I decided to grab them while I could. So let's go ahead and install that new chain. Alright guys, now that we have the new chain installed, let's go ahead and install a new oil filter and put in some new oil. Alright guys, now that we have new oil and a new oil filter installed, let's go ahead and put in some new brake pads. Alright guys, seems like I'm gonna have to bleed the front brakes because it's just not giving me enough pressure. So what I did was, I bought a tube from the local pet shop, then got a cold drink bottle, drilled a hole on top, the size of the tube of course, then glue gun the top of the tube, and then put some brake fluid in. And this way we're going to be able to bleed the brakes. It's a very cheap DIY way, and it will work just as well as any other fancy brake bleeder. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, just finished the service and the bike is running smooth. So before we end today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I have planned for the next one. In the next video, I'll be installing this full stainless steel exhaust system with an Arrow titanium muffler, as well as some original rear sets. And then I will see if I can change this lens cover to this headlight lens cover, because both headlights are cracked. This one's cracked right over there, and then my headlight was cracked on top on the lens. So I'll see if I can change this up. And that being said, thank you guys so much for all the support. And if you'd like to see the next video where I install that exhaust system, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn post notifications on. Also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Until next time, peace.